Good morning, children. How are you? Yesterday I had given you certain questions based on the fifth chapter of Vistas Evans Rise and Old Level. Some short questions and some long questions I have given. You have to note down all the questions with their answers in your fair notes to be checked when the school reopens. I would like to remind you that I am just mentioning the dates on which date what I have taught. I will check your notebooks according to date. What had been taught, whether had you put date or not, you are careful about writing the date appropriate or not, that will not be accepted. Be careful. Make your fair notes to be used when the board exams starts or when you have to appear for any exam. Whatever I am teaching you, whatever I am telling you, everything is from point of view of board exam. Okay. Today I want to teach you advertisement. What is advertisement at first? Advertisement to attract people. If you are going to sell, if you are going to give your house on rent, you give certain advertisement in newspaper to attract people, and then people go through the advertisement. If they are interested, if your advertisement is attractive, they get attracted and they contact you. An advertisement is a public announcement made through a popular medium like newspapers. I am telling you what is advertisement. An advertisement is a public announcement made through a popular medium like newspapers, magazines, television, radio and cinema. An advertisement may be displayed on a placard as well. It is non-personal, oral or visual message regarding a product, service or an idea. If any new product is launched in market, proper advertisement is required. If there is no advertisement, people will not be able to know about that product, the function of the product, the benefit to, if anybody purchases that product, what will be the benefit. Then people must know about the benefit. Then if they think that if they purchase those commodities or product, they will be benefited, they will purchase. Otherwise they are not going to purchase anything. If there is any thing about a sanitizer, it is a demand of time. Different types of sanitizers are available in market. Different brands are there and different prices. People want to purchase cheap and best one. That can be used, that solve their problem and at the lowest cost. Those things are easily sold. And for that, a proper advertisement is also required. Through advertisements, people are being acquainted with the ill effect of coronavirus, how people are getting affected, how they can escape themselves from being affected, what are things to be followed. All these things are displayed through TV. It is a type of advertisement, or in newspaper or anywhere, in magazine, newspaper or TV or your mobile. These things are advertised so that most of the people, all of the people of the world or the country may come to know about the effect of COVID-19 and how to be careful, what things to be done to avoid being affected by this coronavirus. Then people get alarmed. They follow the instructions provided by the authorities, by the doctors, the social workers, the ministers, whatever advice they are giving. People accept their advice and follow. Unless there is advertisement, there is the things are displayed, people rarely come to know about effect and the precautions to be followed. What is the purpose of advertisement? An advertisement attracts immediate attention of the public. It is a very potent tool, instrument for promoting sales or services. It is used to influence the mind's taste and even motives of the masses. Masses means the people. What people expect, what are their desires, what type of people they are, what type of dresses they are going to purchase, what type of soaps they are interested in. Such type of soaps are manufactured in the factories and it is advertised in newspapers or on TV channels. Remember, an advertisement is a play of words. Words are very powerful. What words you are using must be attractive. Come, first get. There is mostly we see purchase one, get one free. People are very much interested to get something free. Purchase two, get one free. Or purchase the dress and shipping charge is free. An advertisement is a play of words. It must be very attractive to catch the eye of the readers. Unless your words are attractive, people don't get attracted. Some slogans are written, some special things are given, or some relaxations are mentioned. People want to get relaxation, then they get attracted. The advertisement should be attractive. If it is a poster, if it is a pharma poster or in newspaper or in TV, there must be some actors to present. There must be some person, whether it is animation or presented by any actors, that must attract the audience for whom it has been made. There are two types of advertisement. One classified, other is commercial. Classified and commercial. Classified advertisement are most in newspapers you see classified advertisement. Lost and found, matrimonials, means about marriages, interior decoration, computer, means or on rent, sales per. Thus, these things are displayed in newspaper. Health and physical fitness regarding motor vehicle, packers and movers, property for sale, travel and tours, situation vacant. Very most important advertisement that is likely to come in your exam, in your question paper. Situation vacant, either and for sale or on rent. These things are always asked. Now, either advertisement for situation vacant or for lost and found. Today I am going to give certain examples of lost and situation vacant. At first, situation vacant. Make this